Hello, YouTube friends! So I just got home from work and I want to share with you my opinion, my reviews of this pretty cool plastic garbage bags that I recently bought off of Amazon. They are by Green Earth and they're compostable. So they're made of corn. And if you know anything about plastic bags can take up to 1,000 years to degrade on their own in a landfill. That's just way too much time. That's just ridiculous. And plant-based, natural plastic bags that are made of plant-based material. It's my cat walking by. Such as this one is corn-based, can take up to about 45 to 90 days. So it'll take about a couple months to naturally biodegrade in a compost or in a landfill. So I am all about trying to be eco-friendly and reusable and cut back on causing more litter and pollution. So when I go to clean homes, I need to dump out the small trash cans. So I like to use these bags because at least I know that they're going to break down much faster than 1,000 years. And I just feel that they're better for the environment. So they're by Green Earth. It is a 13-gallon, 50-bag box that I bought off of Amazon for about 15 bucks. So that's not a bad price. I mean, I've seen, commercial brand bags that are plastic based that cost about the same. So this is a pretty good deal. 50 bags for 15 bucks, 13-gallon size. So this is a 13-gallon size. It already has some stuff in it. So as you can see, it's a pretty good long bag. And it has over here information that it's compostable. It's by Green Earth. So yeah, it's a pretty good deal, pretty good price. Only things that I'm not a big fan of, and I want to keep researching so I could find a different company, is that they are, where does it say right here? It is, where did I see it? It's designed in San Francisco, I believe I saw it, or maybe it was on their website. No, it's right here. So it's designed in San Francisco, but it's made in China. Now, I would prefer to find a US-based company, so I'm going to keep looking. And a couple things that tipped me off that they were not, that it's not an American company. It's just their grammar, and I'm a big grammar nerd. So we will donate 1% of our sales to charity with focus on promoting conservation and protecting our earth. With your help, we will make it a better place for generation to come. So generation needs to be plural, and to charity with focus. It just shows me right there it's not an American-based company. I don't know where they're based out of. I know the bags are made in China, and when I went on their website, there's no information about how it's made or even what it's made of. The only reason why I know it's corn-based is because I got that off of Amazon. So I'm leery about some of the information about it. So I'm going to use them up, but I'm going to keep looking for some different other compostable bags, preferably US made, that have more information. So I just want a more transparent company. But in the meanwhile, for now, I'm liking these. And I do notice they do feel thinner than regular plastic bags, but they seem to hold up pretty well. I mean, I don't have that much trash in here right now, but I've read many good reviews on Amazon about them. So that's the reason why I went with them. Then after I bought it and I tried to find a website and their Facebook page, they don't have a Facebook page, then I'm just like, company-wise, I'm not very comfortable with it. Product-wise, I like. And from what I've read on Amazon from people that have bought them for the last few years, people actually use them in their backyard for their gardening. Like if they're composting with food, they'll put it in the bag and they see in a few months that it actually does break down. So it really does do what it's supposed to do. Just company-wise, I just don't know much about it. They're not a very informative company. I don't know. So I'm on a mission. I'm going to keep looking if I can find a more American-based company, American-made product. But I would definitely recommend and say to look into buying compostable bags, because if you have to use a plastic bag, you know, what better way than to have something biodegrade naturally within a few months as opposed to hundreds and, you know, 1,000 years. So just my opinion, but any little thing that we can do to help our landfill overflow situation and Mother Earth and all that, Mama Earth, it's the only mama we got, I'm all for. So that's just my opinion. If you know of any other compostable bags that you like, let me know, because I would love to check it out, compare prices, check out the companies, what their ethos is, what their, you know, beliefs are, and all that other stuff. Oh, another thing too, they say that they donate 1% of their proceeds to charities, but I don't know what charity. They don't have that on their website. They don't even have a Facebook page. So, you know, I'm going to use up the bags when I'm done with them. I'm going to start, you know, I'm going to look for a different one. Only because I need more knowledge about it. I need more information. I want to know where my money's going. Yeah. So, if you know of any, let me know. If you have any questions or comments, ask them, and we'll chat again soon. Peace out.